Locksmith?
Hi, Big Bertha. How are you doing today?
I'm fine with yourself.
I'm good, I'm good. Listen, I need some help.
For what?
Well, what the fuck do? You obviously open up locks, and that's what I need help with.
What kind of lock?
It's a master lock. It's the closing of a container.
Sir, is that a weak of a man that you can't open up a container?
Wait, what? Why not?
No. You mean to tell me you're not man enough to open up a container, sir?
Ma'am, are you questioning my manpower? Because I will shove my dick into your ass, and I will thrust it.
Yes, I am questioning your manpower.
Would you like me to thrust my dick into your vagina?
Sir,
Yes.
I think you did say flush. Sir,
Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to calm down,
sir,
Big
I
Bertha.
don't think
Big
you're man enough to do that.
Bertha, I think you need to calm down. Don't get a big head with me.
Sir, I don't get a big head with customers.
Ma'am, calm down. I will get you fired. All I need is some help. I'm a faggot.
Sir,
Ma'am, you're harassing a customer. Ma'am, you're harassing a customer. I can do whatever the fuck I want.
you're harassing me, and I can do whatever the fuck I want.
Ma'am, you're such a big bitch.
Okay, you're such a little bitch, faggot.
I know I am, and I like it like that. You me, like an asshole. Cream pie my asshole, bitch. Ma'am, can you do me a favor and cream pie my asshole? No, she hung up. I got time. Alright, now we call right back and fuck with her real quick. Yeah, how big's your dick? Hung right up. Yes, sir. Give it another shot at the fucking locksmith here. Get that locksmith one more time. See how big his dick is. Hi, can I touch your camel toe?